Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to resolve a black screen on recording on Likee. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Likee application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Likee if you haven't already done that. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see here, we have in the bottom of the screen, we have everything about your profile, messages, the plus button where you can add your own content. We have the search bar, and at the end, explore bar, and we have, of course, at the end, the For You page. But now, guys, let's see how you can actually go and resolve a black screen on recording on Likee. So there are a couple of things that you can go and fix it. In this video, we'll be going through 7 ways that you can go and actually fix this. So the fixed one is to grant app permission. So the app might not have the permission to record. That's why you have to do it then. We have the fix 2, which is update your device. Your device is probably maybe not updated, so you have to do that. Use a different recorder. Recorder is the fix 3, so you can use a different recorder if you're recording through your phone or whatever. Close your overlay apps. You can do that, of course. Maybe some apps don't give it to you. Fix 5 is clear cache data. Fix 6 is restart your device. And factory reset is the 7th and last device that I will do. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.